All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a inexpensive little sports car convertible. It's a 2003 Corvette, 50th anniversary. They only made like 7,547 convertibles. Not a lot in the world of Corvettes. They're all finished in this really nice red metallic, dark red metallic with the Shale leather interior. They got magnetic ride control. This one has the optional 315 performance gear ratio, but it's awesome. It's a LS1 engine, 5.7 liter, 4L60E overdrive automatic transmission. Just really comfortable to drive, plenty of power, 350 horsepower. They go pretty good. A fun car, especially a ragtop. It's only got 82,136 miles on it. It's got old school AM FM cassette player. It's actually got a disc changer in the rear too, factory disc changer. But these are unique cars. Being a special edition, it's kind of inexpensive for a collector car. Just something to have some fun with. Leave it right here. It's got the champagne colored alloy wheels, which are for this particular special edition. And it's got heads up display. It's got a little dash cover up there because I have a little crack in the dash up here, but hey, it's 23 years old. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around video here of our 50th anniversary Corvette convertible. They're all this color. It's a dark red metallic, beautiful color. This is original paint, one owner, 82,000 original miles on it. Bought right here in Southern California, never left. Amazing driving car. These engines are fantastic. It's a 5.7 liter LS1, fuel injected, 350 horsepower. Not a lot in today's standards, but you can feel it. It runs like a scalded dog. It's got the 17 and 18-inch staggered factory alloys and a champagne finish for the anniversary edition. Lots of little things on here, you know, show this anniversary. All the emblems, the stitching on the seats. Even under the hood's got a little hood pad, shows that. But they came kind of standard, except for this one has the updated differential gear ratio, performance ratio, 315. But it's got heads-up display, magnetic ride control, power windows, power locks, AM FM cassette with CD changer, tilt wheel, a little bit of everything. And inexpensive, $21,900. It's an amazing car for that kind of money. It's fun, leave it in the garage, use it on the weekends, or drive it to work every day. Super reliable, classic Corvette. Here's the power plant in the 2003 anniversary Corvette. Like I said earlier, it's the 5.7 liter, all aluminum, LS motor. This one's bone stock. I don't even think it has a cold air intake or anything done to it. Just completely original and stock. Runs fantastic. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Real simple, easy to take care of. Everybody's putting these motors in hot rods nowadays. The LS motor is it's like the new 350 from yesterday. I think these exhaust tips are aftermarket. It's got a nice little sound though. Pretty cool. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to talk to you about the car or show it to you in person, take it for a spin, or if you just want to ship it, we can do that too. I think there's a little bit of memorabilia that comes with it too, some 50th anniversary stuff. But give me a call, we can talk about it. Thanks for watching.